Guys, welcome to my new video. So this is my new this is a replacement for my other videos. It's named This is My Future Video. That one is one of my future video, but the upload was failed. So today, letter. Okay. Now guys, since I unlocked Asteroid Crash, let's target at him. Because he didn't like the video at all time. So, just have to gather them all up. And what's the other guy? Oh no! Oh yeah. He's fun, guys. Oh, by the way, you're wondering what are those? I'm also wondering. Nah. Just don't mind me, guys. I'm just reading chat. Okay, let me just target at BAM! That was insane. But since that asteroid crash is super insane. And then I learned how to use gravity. So I learned it a lot of times. So I don't know the progress. Wait, where are they at? Don't tell me they just leave, bro. Chat. Kaboom. That type of damage is super insane.
Now, people are starting to say, parang nagmamature.
Okay? I like to do like these progress things. Because this is a grind, bro. Okay? Seems nobody disturbs. Allows themselves to get disturbed by themselves. They got a little visit from a meteor. I mean an asteroid from sky. See? He always tries to damage me. Not a chance, buddy. Because Pile B, I don't know what does it do. I don't know which move got upgraded. Oh, it's the M1. The Meteor M1. If you point it at the sky like this and like this, if you're it means there's a bunch of meteors with it. So I never use this move. 33! Yo, what? Asteroid crash. It's your unlucky day, guys. Don't target at you. What the heck? Why did I do less damage? What the heck? Never realized that part is 39. Okay. What the heck? So I blame King Redhead. Fruit dot please, bro. You can type something in the chat, guys.